So what is up, guys? Nick here, helping you to master your technology. BlackBerry Key 2 unboxings and first impressions video. Now, BlackBerry Key 1 is a little bit over a year old now, and here we have the BlackBerry Key 2. Let's take a look at the specs. On the rear, you have yourself a 4.5-inch IPS display, 434 PPI, octa-core CPU. We're going to get into this more feature in depth in the full review. I'm going to have that ready for you in about a week, so be sure to leave your questions down below. But you can read this on a spec sheet online somewhere, or you can just pause and read it right now. But really what we want to see here is the device. So let's go ahead and open this up, and you could see BlackBerry Key 2, just a nice black box. Kind of reminds me of those Samsung boxes like on the Galaxy series. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we do reveal in the case. So there it is, the BlackBerry Key 2. Now I actually decided to skip out on the Key 1 last year just because I wasn't really interested, but this year I kind of like what I'm seeing with this new BlackBerry Key 2. It just has a cleaner look, has a nicer rear camera, and BlackBerry is actually not the same as they used to be. They're now operated by TCL Communication under the brand of BlackBerry Mobile. So BlackBerry used to be run and operated by RIM, Research in Motion, no longer. So now it runs Android, which is much better because you have access to all the Android applications. So let's go ahead and peel the front off. Once in a lifetime. I kind of like how they put the logo right there. You don't really see that on a lot of other smartphone stickers. So peeling that off, that wasn't too stickery, if you know what I mean. But let's go ahead and peel this off the back. And you could see, I really like what they did here with this back. It kind of got like a mesh feel to it. It's pretty grippy. And then you have like this, you know, like this metal looking plastic around the sides. It's a very nice look. This is going to fall more in a mid-ranger style of smartphone though, but it does have some specs that can rival a flagship. Let's go ahead, and I think this is the power button right here. So let's go ahead and turn this on and see if we got any juice on the device, and we do. It says BlackBerry powered by Android. And while we're powering that up, let's see what comes in the box of this device, and we're gonna open that up and see what's in here. So we do have a BlackBerry charger. This should be fast charging. I'll let you know more about that in the full review. We do have some BlackBerry branded headphones. So that's a nice touch. You got the little logo right there on the headphones, and we do have ourselves what should be a USB-C cord, which it is, USB-C cord right there. And then we have some packaging right here that should go ahead and reveal to us warranty information, stuff like that. Welcome, quick start guide, stuff like that. You know when we'll read this. Number 2. Let's go over here, and you see I could always use another one of these SIM card tools. So yeah, that's basically it. That's what comes with the device. Let's file this off to the side and get back into that BlackBerry Key 2. So it is booting up right now. I'm going to go ahead and just log in my information and we'll check it out a little bit further. Okay, so I'm now in the device, and you could see right off the bat, it looks very similar in terms of that software to what you had on the Key 1, which was to be expected. It's a very clean, kind of like stock-like experience with a few BlackBerry add-ons. This is so much better than the RIM version of BlackBerries. I used to have the Bold. I disliked that software because of the application, but with the Play Store on board, there's just so much going on, and a few add-ons here. You get the radio, you get the password keeper, and you get, you know, BlackBerry camera here, and you also get the productivity tab. And you know that I'm really into productivity, but we'll talk more about these features in more, you know, long form, more in depth in the review. But really, I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Going into settings, if we go into system and we go to system updates, you can see that the system is up to date. Let's go ahead and just take a quick photo just to see one little sample. We're not going to do anything really, you know, significant right here, but let me just go ahead and take a sample and let's see what that camera looks like, because you wouldn't expect a great camera on a phone that's geared towards productivity. But I'm liking my first little picture I took so far. Not bad, but I think this is really going to appeal to enterprise users as well as people who want to do business on their phone, and people that really just love the BlackBerry, you know, brand. They just really love BlackBerry phones, and they're sad to see that they went away. Well, they didn't really fully go away. They just got sold off, and now they're making some Android BlackBerry phones, and I kind of like this whole thing. I think it works better than that old operating system. Now you can see that you do have some shiny buttons on here. Again, we're not going to go too in depth, but just giving you a first look. It's a beautiful little phone, especially considering that you have actually no glass really on here besides the front. You don't really have anything that feels anything like the other Android phones. It's a very unique device. Taking a closer look at that keyboard, a very spacious keyboard, much more spacious than some of the previous BlackBerry devices. And overall, the ability to have a touchscreen and a physical keyboard is something you're just not going to find on any other smartphone. You have a dual camera here on the back. That's nice to see. And it's a clean look. We don't have any carrier branding or anything like that. This is an unlocked model. So you can see everything is clean. I'm really just liking this whole productivity businessy look of the BlackBerry Key 2. But anyway, I'm not going to talk too much more about it here. I'm going to save my thoughts for the full review. But questions. Do you have any questions on this phone? What would you like to know? What would you like to see in the full review? Go ahead and leave that down below in the comment section of this video. I will take a lot of your feedback, all of it, very seriously. So make sure you do that. I'm gonna leave my SIM card in here and I'm gonna give you the full rundown on this phone in about a week. So you might want to be subscribed for that. This was my BlackBerry Key 2 unboxings and first impressions. First impressions, I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Feels productive. Feels like it offers enough for the everyday use, and it feels like it's going to be slotted in my rotation, at least as a businessy class device. If you found this video helpful, enjoyable, entertaining, informing in any way, shape, and form, go ahead and click that like button for me. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more. Nick here helping you to master your technology. Be sure to have a great day. Be sure to be well, and peace.